Safety in the playground.
It is break time at school. Tom, Sarah, and Ben are in the playground. Tom plays near the monkey bars. Sarah waits for her turn. Ben wants to run, but the ground is wet. The teacher, Miss Anna, comes to the playground. She looks at the children. She says, "Be careful." Tom uses the monkey bars carefully. Ben wants to run, but the teacher says, "Don't run." The children must wait for their turn. They mustn't fight in the playground. Fighting is unsafe. Running on wet ground is dangerous. The children follow the rules. Nobody gets hurt. Safety in the playground is important.